Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement for tuitions or coaching available. Let's get started. Students, I have already discussed in lecture 1 on advertisement writing. What is an advertisement? How many types of advertisements are there? What is classified advertisement and different categories of advertisement, plus marking scheme for class 12 CBSE. So if you want to know in detail any of these topics, please watch lecture 1 on advertisement writing. Now let us discuss about tuition or coaching available. It is a type of advertisement which is written to give information about tuition classes or coaching classes. Tuition teachers use these to announce their availability for tuitions or coaching classes. Students, here are some important tips which you must follow while writing an advertisement. Point number 1, clearly state the category at the top. For example, coaching available or tuition available, for sale, to let, etc. So first line in advertisement writing is to write the name of the category. Point number 2, give all necessary details. Once you have written the heading, then you have to write the details. Now, what details are to be written, that I'm going to discuss in value points, that is next slide. Once you have written the details, then write your name, contact address and telephone number. And students, word limit for writing an advertisement is 50 words, so never be too lengthy, because if you exceed the word limit, your marks will be deducted for that. And once you have written the advertisement, put the matter in a box. You have to draw a box with a pencil, and it is very, very important, because if you forget to draw the box, you would lose half mark. So once the advertisement is over, please draw the box. Now students, most important slide, that is value points. Now, if you want to write an advertisement for tuitions or coaching available, then these are the points which you must remember. You must give the name of the institution if you are part of any institute, then classes for which you want to give tuitions, and subject. Special qualities of the tutor can be mentioned. Qualifications and experience of the tutor. Previous results of his or her students. Contact address and phone number. Now students, here is a sample advertisement for you. You are Ramanujam or Revathi, a student of class 12, St. Xavier School, Jhansi. You are interested in giving tuition in maths to 1 or 2 students of class 8. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words for a local newspaper. Now let us see what points are already provided in the question. We'll use all those points plus some points on our own and write the advertisement. Now students, here your contact address has been provided. You are Ramanujam or Revathi. Write any one of the two names. St. Xavier School, Jhansi. And what is the qualification of the tutor? Tutor is a student of class 12. Now in which subject do you want to give tuitions? It is maths. And class is 8th. So you want to give tuition to 1 or 2 students of class 8. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words. So here word limit is given, that is 50 words. And students, please remember, even if the word limit is not given, your word limit for writing an advertisement is 50 words. Let's write this advertisement. Maths tuition available. So even if you do not want to give the name of the subject and you are writing tuition available, then also your heading is correct. Tuition of maths is available for students of class 8. Not more than 2 students will be taught 5 days a week. That is Monday to Friday. Between 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Assurance of good result. Those interested may please contact Ramanujam, student of class 12 at St. Xavier's School, Jhansi. Now let us see one more sample advertisement. Harsh Singh has started Madhur Music Academy for teaching music. Draft an advertisement for it to be published in a local daily giving all relevant details. And the word limit given is 50 words. Now students, in this question, name is given, name of the institution is given, that is Madhur Music Academy, and subject given is music, and word limit given is 50 words. Now let's write this advertisement. Our heading is coaching available. Turn your passion for music into a career at Madhur Music Academy. Learn to play piano, guitar, synthesizer in 30 days with Trinity College certification. Classes led by renowned musicians. Small morning and evening batches already running. Join any day. Nominal fees. Age no bar. Contact Harsh Singh and then give the phone number which is provided in the question. So students, isn't it simple to write advertisement? If you remember the value points, read the question carefully, add some of the points on your own, and your advertisement is ready. And it is very easy to score 3 out of 3 in advertisement writing. So I hope you would be able to write an advertisement on your own, and thank you very much for watching this video. And for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel and please like, comment and share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.